What's good, guys? I'm Skana Beats, and today we're going to make a Lil Durk type beat. I just listened to the album. I had like mixed feelings about it, but this is like really Lil Durk album. A lot of pianos and some with guitars in there as well. So I'm gonna try and go for that type of vibe, really emotional and like rather dark with some hard knocking drums as well. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. So let's start on this F right here and just skip every other note, copy that over and hit Command L to like connect these notes just to create like some room. But at the end right here, I'm going to hit C, or you can click this right here to make a cut right here, and then I'm going to go. I kind of like this, so we're going to hit Option R and randomize the velocity. That way it gives like a more human feeling. And we're going to hit Option S as well to strum it. Ooh. I'm going to go down with this one and then copy this over. We just added like some accents in there, and let's add some reverb to this to give it like some more space in there. It's really emotional, but I can definitely like hear Lil Durk on this with like some hard knocking drums. Don't run away yet. Once we add the drums, it will all make sense with the melody. So what I did right here is added a vocal and then put this on Stretch Pro, and what this does is allows you to like change the pitch of the sample type stuff, but it's almost like the same as Lil Alter Boy. Okay, what we're going to do right now is add one last counter melody, some like piano runs type stuff. Alright, I want to keep the drums a little bit more simple. I think the beat is already full enough for like a vocal and stuff. Let's just do some quick structuring. Let's render out the piano right here and reverse it. So like this. And then boom, reverse. Let's see if we can drag in a Lil Durk vocal.
True story, I really want to eat. Getting to that money, I'm out all night, she think I'm cheating. Hustling music, I told her to listen to that and take it easy. I'm out all night, she think I'm cheating. My pops this bitch a bar, it's not a minivan.
Alright, let's play from the beginning. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. This tutorial showed you how to make a Lil Durk type beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio, and we added some Lil Durk vocals, you feel me? So that way you know the beat is usable and fitted for Lil Durk. Let me know what you think down below, and do you ever cook up with like acapellas and stuff? Let me know. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
You feel wrong, you paranoid as hell, you think you got something. You was in my cash out feed, no you ain't got money. And I sent you money every time you asked, you know you lied to me. How you let a nigga start from your block, no he ain't got nothing. How you missing commissary bags, your block got money. 100,000 in the go-yard bag, look like small money. You ain't helped the day my brothers died, you niggas ain't ride with me. I ain't gon' speak on the past when I took it serious, I had dime bitches. 26 years, talk to my uncle, I did time with him. I ain't have shit, still sent money off on that nigga. I ain't have shit, when I hit a lick, I gave a 5 True story, don't lie to me. True story, my life ain't that easy. True story, they act like they ain't need me. True story, get me locked up at the meeting. True story, I really want to eat. Getting to the money, I'm out all night, she think I'm cheating. Hustling music, I told her to listen to that and take it easy. I'm out all night, she think I'm cheating. My pops this bitch a barber, it's not a minivan.
That's hard, bro. Shit. I love this, bro. Damn.
Know a nigga who snake me turned to a guinea pig. Think I'm lying, think I'm trying to rhyme, bro, he really did. Did a pass out when the J died, he think he getting rich. Fans come around whenever it's fentanyl and they getting sick. Same watch they cuffed me up, had a watch on, I was on the list. Give them the drugs without a transaction, that shit a risk.